Today, I will introduce the C-scanning microscope, as known as CSAM. It is a non-destructive inspection technique widely used for failure analysis in microelectronic packaging, especially for detecting internal defects such as air gaps and delamination. The main function of SAM is non-destructive failure analysis. It allows inspection of internal damage without cutting or destroying the sample, which is especially important in electronic, which components are small and also expensive. One major of the benefit is it saves time. Unlike SEM or TM, it does not require complicated sample preparation. More importantly, SAM is extremely sensitive to air gaps, even at submicron thickness, where X-ray and electron beam technique may fail because they can pass through voids without strong contrast. The working principle of SAM is based on ultrasonic wave interaction with materials. When an ultrasonic wave encounters a change in acoustic impedance, such as between solid material and air, strong reflection and scattering occurs. SAM uses this impedance difference to detect internal defects. The SAM transducer is positioned perpendicular to the sample surface along the z-axis. It generates ultrasonic pulse that propagates into the sample. When the wave reaches a defect or interface with different impedance, it reflects back to the transducer. By measuring the time of flight, the depth of the defect can be determined. To form a 2D image, the transducer scans the sample in a systematic pattern. Each scan position produces one data point based on the reflected signal. By repeating this process across the surface, a full internal image is reconstructed and analysis. Compared to conventional SAM, CSAM operates at relatively higher frequencies, which improves spatial resolution. It also uses special acoustic lens with high numerical aperture, allowing strong focusing and a smaller focal point. A wider transducer bandwidth enables sharper echo separations, which is crucial for distinguishing closely spaced interfaces. In addition to hardware improvements, modern CSAM systems include advanced software. These tools help with noise filtering and contrast enhancement. Recently, artificial intelligence has also been integrated to improve defect recognition and analysis accuracy. In summary, CSAM is a powerful non-destructive technique for internal defect detection. Its high sensitivity to air gaps and excellent interface discrimination make it especially valuable for microelectronic package reliability analysis. Thank you.